Yeah. Now it's good. Okay. Flashing red light.
Put your shoulder harnesses off the side.
Okay, Dennis. So you're the pilot in command. No, we might find some other lift up there, but mostly just ridge lift is what we had on the previous flights.
Okay.
So tow pilot, after he takes off, is going to take you to the left over towards the ridge.
Right.
All right, so just follow him.
What's altitude?
We'll go up to our normal altitude, 2,500 AGL. Okay.
Okay.
Next time you wear a hat, make sure the button's not on top of it. If you hit the canopy, you'll crack the canopy.
Really? Oh, okay. Okay, altimeter 600. My belt is secure. Are your belts secure?
Belts are on.
Okay. Controls. Good. Dive brakes locked. Trim is forward. Wind looks like a crosswind. Looks like a gusting crosswind.
Yep.
Probably
From which way? So.
to the side. Looks like 90 degrees.
Well, which side?
Oh, that's it.
The right. Okay. So you're gonna. What are you gonna do on your takeoff differently with the crosswind?
Right wind low and left rudder.
Okay.
Okay. Traffic. Let's see if I can see anybody for now. Alright, emergency plan. On the runway, release go to the right, end of the runway, or no runway left, go to near field, then far field, and at 200, turn to the right.
Okay.
180 degree turn. Okay. Alright.
Open. Close. Try it. Okay, and close.
Okay, Dennis, it's your plane unless I say otherwise.
Mm-hmm.